Think it's impossible to manufacture? Think again. Innovative automation gladly accepts the challenge to see if the impossible is truly that, or if research and development can produce a viable solution that can lead to a robust manufacturing process. When IA began operations in 2000, we focused not only on engineering, but research and development projects as well. We quickly earned a reputation for taking on projects that other companies didn't want to attempt. R&D became part of our DNA. We still follow this same philosophy and routinely execute stage gate-based research projects by partnering with our customers on new manufacturing methods and procedures. As an example, IA joined efforts with a military research firm on a naval project that involved a recuperative heat exchanger for potential use on surface warfare ships. We assisted in determining the required geometries for the components of this heat exchanger. We also developed the manufacturing process for the special metal needed to make these parts. This particular metal had never before been used in this type of application. Over the course of a 3-year development program, we helped design and build the concept model, which was ultimately tested for application functionality. We subsequently developed the manufacturing process that will allow for the production of this heat exchanger. In this last example, one of our heat exchange customers approached us to help them develop a roll-forming system that could produce a profiled aluminum fin they had been told was impossible to manufacture. This fin would need to be much wider, taller, and longer than anything that had ever been made previously in order to satisfy the requirements of this unique product application. Taking advantage of 3D printing technology, we developed and tested several iterations of tooling from which fins were made for research evaluation. Without the use of this technology, tooling development would have been much too cost-prohibitive to continue this project. This 3-year development project has led to what is now the only profiled fin of its kind, providing our client with a strategic market advantage. Innovative automation, making the impossible possible by applying unique solutions for unique applications. Call us at 734-442-0100 or email us at engin@inautomation.com to see how we can support your R&D efforts.